boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. This will be a very quick one. Adekunle Gold, Believe, okay? So that is a quick song to learn. We have a capo on fourth, only 4 chords. Let's go into it. We're gonna start with G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, that is the G. Next is the B chord, and I place 2 bars, one on the 2nd frets, and I push down 5 strings there from bottom up, and the second one in front of it on the 4th position, I make sure I push down the D, G, and B string there, and I stay away with the last E string when it comes to strumming hand. That's the B chord. E minor next. All right, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and the 4th and final is C, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That chord progression goes on through the entire song. Now let's learn how to handle it. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. That is 1 round, and a couple rounds goes. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 of these per chord, so G2, B2, E minor 2, C2, like this. Okay, like I said, guys, very quick, a couple of minutes only to handle the song called Believe. Hope you enjoyed it, and play 2.